Hi guys, my name is Esther Alexander and welcome to today's video. This video is an introduction into what you're going to be getting in this our YMME YouTube Made Easy class. I remember when I started my YouTube channel in September 2019. Yes, I started in September 2019 and I got monetized in December 2023. 4 years, 4 years, 4 years. That's what I'm saying. 4 years. So when I was in September 2023, I was just creating videos on YouTube. The first video I created was just random. It was random. I wasn't properly prepared, nothing. I just came on to create a video. I thought if I just stayed consistent, a lot of things are eventually going to fall into place. Guess what? I was wrong. I stayed consistent for 4 years and nothing fell into place. Like everything was still the way they were. I was struggling with getting my 1,000 subscribers and struggling with getting my 4,000 watch hours. But guess what? In just 90 days, 3 months, all of these things turned around. Before then, I was frustrated, I was burnt out, and I even wanted to quit. I quit, came back, quit, came back. There were lots of times that I stopped YouTube, come back to YouTube, and it was just a lot. If you check my channel, you see that some of my videos are about burning out and how to get up on your feet because I have first-hand experience of what burnout feels like, especially as a YouTuber. I wish I had started earlier because YouTube had already been a thing since way, 2020, 2015, 2014, thereabouts. I wish that I started earlier. But nevertheless, I picked up, I started doing my YouTube thing, creating videos, making videos, sharing ideas, sharing content. When I now discovered that people are really making money from this thing, and me, I'm just doing for free. I'm just wasting my time creating content without making anything out of it. I was thinking how to go about it. There was no clear roadmap. There was no coach. It was just me and my camera doing what I know how to do. Then things shifted. In September 2023, I said, no, this is not how it's going to be. This is not how it's going to be. We are not going to continue like this. Otisumi, it don't do. In just 90 days, everything shifted. I stopped guessing and I started applying the right strategy, and everything turned around for good for my channel. It was a 360 shift from September to December of 2023. And guess what? In December 2023, I got monetized. I got a letter from YouTube that I have been enrolled in the YouTube partnership program. What does that mean? Monetization. I was so excited. And from then, in another 90 days, I got my first YouTube paycheck, which was in March of 2024. So you see, December to March 2024, 3 months, and that was it. That was a turnaround. And ever since then, let me be clear with you guys, it is not magic. It is not instant fame that I'm here to preach. I'm here to preach intentionality. I am dedicating this month of July to beginner YouTubers. If you are someone that is already above your 4,000 watch hour and your 1,000 subscribers, this video is not for you. Please just scroll past. But if you know that you're still stuck with getting your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, then this video is for you. And if you know that you are trying to get start a YouTube channel and you don't know how to go about it because you have so many phobias for a lot of things, this video is for you. I have created a full packed YouTube monetization course for beginners, those who are 0 to 4,000 watch hours. This is the course for you. I've created and packaged this step-by-step guide. I'm not promising instant fame, but what I can assure you is that in 90 days, your channel is going to have a turnaround. This course is not for people who want overnight fame. It's not for people who just want to try YouTube after 3 videos and disappear. This is for people who are serious about turning their YouTube content into income. If you've already started but you're stuck and confused because you're not seeing real growth, this is for you. If you're tired of spending hours editing, creating videos without any reward, this is for you. Or you're someone who simply wants a clear path to monetization on YouTube beyond 2025, this is for you. What I've packaged isn't just tips and tricks. It is a full-blown step-by-step guide for beginners that want to get their channel monetized in 90 days. I am part of the YouTube monetization program and it has been a swell time. We're just at 3K plus subscribers, but that's a lot. In this class, you're going to get clarity and confidence into your YouTube journey. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys a step-by-step guide into how YouTube can get your first YouTube paycheck as a content creator or as a YouTuber. Follow me through this class. It is a 90-day challenge. It's a 90-day challenge, and we have 4 phases in the course. Phase one, phase two, phase three, and phase four. I want you to pause everything you're doing. Stop that TikTok you're scrolling right now. Stop that WhatsApp messages you're trying to read. Stop every single thing you're doing right now and focus. There are two types of people that are going to watch this video. One category of people are those who just stumbled on this video. Maybe a friend shared the video, they saw it on a group, and they just are curious about what it is. The second category of people are the ones who came for actual results and are willing to go beyond where they are currently on their YouTube journey. If you're in the second category of people, the ones who are done watching other people grow and feeling stuck, I've got something for you. I'm not giving that level of access to everyone. So if you're watching this video, you already have access to stage one, which is introduction into what you're going to be getting, the whole value that you're going to be getting in the main class. I'm not giving access to everybody. Access is just for a few persons, people in the second category that I mentioned earlier. If you're ready to make changes to your YouTube channel, and if you're ready to scale up your YouTube channel from what it is now to where you want it to be in the next 90 days, click the link in the description to get the full packaged, blown step-by-step beginners monetization course for YouTube. Get it. Click the link in the description of this video. This video is just an introduction into what we're going to be doing in the main class. 2025, we didn't come to play. Like I said, I'll be dropping everything that I'm doing this July to focus on you, you, beginners on YouTube, to tell you how, why you need to start doing what you should be doing. Holding you by the hand, and we're going to be moving on this journey together for 90 days. After 90 days, you don't get results. Then something is definitely wrong. Something is definitely wrong, and it is definitely not from here. We're going to look for it in your father's village. If you're serious about growing your YouTube channel before the end of 2025, I will show you how. Click the link in the description of this video. Let's get started. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I am definitely going to see you in class.